everyone, welcome to Banco's Product Show. Today, we would like to introduce our automatic dosing system. This system is a whole unit, including the feed chemical tank. This is 200 liters per hour, and with a mixer, and you can customize according to your local power supply. Okay. All this one have a very strong stainless steel frame. The liquid level will be shown here by this magnetic level indicator. After we open this valve, we have a dosing pump automatic one with a digital control. The capacity, the flow rate is 60 liters per hour. As you can see, this have a digital control board. You can make a setting and on off and do it manually by up and down for the strokes. We can also do it by this menu. If you are not sure, the technical can be checking this plate. We have all the spare parts for the calibration, wire strainer filter, to be on the safe control of the dosing. We have the flow meter, damper, back pressure valve, and the safety valve. For a better performance, you can get a diaphragm pressure gauge. And we have an automatic control box. We would like to introduce our engineer to come in. Okay, let's check this power wires to be connected to the electricity. Okay, this two terminal. The screen is on. Now start the power. As you can hear the pump sound. System on off. This is power switch and the power station system on off indicator. Okay, we can make it on by the screen, control. One click stop, one click start. So we can see we can select this switch for power on off. Firstly, start the power. It can be switched off, and this is a system indicator. When the system will working on, it will have the indicator light on. This pH controller will show the currency with the pH value, with the temperature. When set the high and low level of the pH, it will have an alarm light. According to this control panel, now the pH is running. Now the dosing pump is running, as we can see. This digital light on. Now it's full frequency. If we want to change, we can make it stop. And also we can stop the mixer. Okay. We can provide the whole system for your metering design according to your drawing and metering requirements. Also, we supplied all kind of spare parts for the fully system, including the dosing tank, the chemical pump, back pressure valve, the safety valve, damper, and the rotor meter, pressure gauge. All the spare parts, is our working bench. Welcome your inquiry, and looking forward to working with you and your team in the long term. Thank you. Bye bye.